Hello YouTube, back again with another video. Today I got the video of my new truck. It's a 2017 Chevy Silverado, so it's not a new truck. I got it with 12,000 miles and I got a really smoking deal on it. And it was something that I could afford. It's not the LT or the luxury model. It's just the basic LS Chevy Silverado. It was something that I can afford. So nothing real fancy. Alright, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys my new truck. As I said before, this is not the luxury model. This is just an LS. So I do like black. Black and white are my favorite colors. I already have two white vehicles, so that's why I didn't get a white one. But yeah, black and white is my are my favorite colors. And as you can see, it's pretty much the basic from the inside. It is 4x4. As you can see, there's a lever there. Usually the ones that are a little bit more luxury, they have a button, but this one has a lever. And as you can see, it's not even power window. And I will be doing a lot of stuff to this truck. Well, not yet, because it's still under warranty. And but I will be doing, like, maybe I will change the tires and maybe level it, put a level kit, stuff like that I can do without voiding the warranty. And then once the warranty expires, then I can start putting exhaust and pretty much all kinds of different stuff. So, and basically that's the only thing I needed. So I just needed a personal truck. That's all I needed. So I didn't need a bigger truck and nothing fancier. And it is a V8. It is 4x4. So far I like it. Drives real smooth. I always had Chevys before. The first Chevy I had was a 2007 LT extended cab, and then I had a 2012 single cab Chevy Silverado with the 4.8, and then this one with the 5.3. I don't know, I just always been a fan of V8s. I was actually raised Ford, so was raised Ford in my younger years, and just when I grew up I was like the Chevy, so that's the 5.3 there. I will be putting an intake and all kinds of stuff in here. I'm not gonna be doing like major blowers or NOS or anything crazy like turbos or anything. No, I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm not a young guy to be putting all kinds of stuff like that. You know, I'm too young. I'm too old for all that stuff. That was when I was young. But yeah, this truck, I'm just gonna put maybe an intake and exhaust, and maybe paint the I don't know if I should paint the front bumper or leave it like a matte black color. I am gonna put some mud terrain tires on it, and I will be putting a level kit on it, so just to have that. Alright guys, so I just want to show you guys an update of my vehicle that I got. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.